I'm extremely fortunate because I have got a golden opportunity to share a few words with all of you on this special occasion today. As we all know that it is 21st June today and the whole world celebrates International Yoga Day with great enthusiasm. Our presence here today is to celebrate International Yoga Days and spread awareness among people about benefits of practice yoga as well as the challenge we may face if we don't incorporate it into our lives. I think you all know that yoga is very important for human life. So we need to understand that what is yoga. Yoga is not just a word, it is practice. Actually, it can't be told that how big importance of yoga in human life. In today's modern era, yoga has become an integral part of our life. Yoga is the best way to reduce increasing disease and mental stress. In 2014, Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi proposed the idea of celebrating Yoga Days, which was approved by the General Assembly on December 11, 2014. The first International Yoga Days was celebrated on June 21st in 2015. The primary objective of celebrating Yoga Days is to raise awareness among people about its benefits. Not practice yoga is leading to various problems within us such as irritability, ill health, impatience, mental stress, sleep problems, and more such things. Yoga is essential to avoid all these issues. Yoga is highly beneficial in improving our health. It improves blood circulation, strengthens muscle, enhances flexibility. Additionally, it also enhances human lifespan. Through yoga, our self-confidence, self-control, concentration, patience, mental balance ability increase. And yoga plays a vital role in calming the mind. Apart from it, yoga plays a vital role for students as well reduce stress. Yoga helps students to reduce stress during exam and in daily life. Through yoga, students' self-confidence level increase, enabling them to achieve their goals. I want to ask you one question that how many of you practice yoga daily? Please raise your hands. Those who have raised their hands, you are great, but who have not, I humbly request you to change your bad habit. Those, however, don't give it much importance and don't follow this practice, I humbly request you to consider this bad habit because yoga is very important for human life. If we don't follow it, we will have to regret with many dangerous problems. So I also practice yoga. As a friends, I would suggest you that you do the same. Let's make a promise to ourselves to practice yoga daily from today. Just 15 minutes for our health. We can surely start it right, and you will motivate others to do as well. In closing, I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to everyone for listening to me attentively. Thank you.